Good morning. We're getting started on the vlog a little late today. It is 10 a.m. So I just brushed my hair and it looks like I didn't at all, but that's okay. That's okay. Pippa's being a little wild child again this morning, of course. All my windows are open. I'm waiting for my car to defrost or the humidity thing to go away. And we've got a kind of busy day today because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. And I am just wanting to get done all of our little chores so we can enjoy the snow, and then we can just immediately head south to our new campsite tomorrow and just have everything done. And I had already cleaned up a couple days ago when I made my mental health video. I had cleaned up the car to get those clips, which was a really good motivation to get those clips. So all I have left to do is some laundry. I have to get Pippa more food, and I have to get gas, and I'm also gonna go shower. So that's on the agenda today. So I'm gonna take you with us if Pippa ever calms down. Hello. You're a wild one. You're a wild one. You're a wild one today. You're a wild one today. Okay, we'll see in a bit. All right, I already forgot to film gas, but I got gas and I just dropped off trash, and now I'm at Planet Fitness, which I can't like bring you in because I don't want to get banned from Planet Fitness by showing anything on the inside, or even being like accused of showing anything on the inside. I'm kind of having a weird day now. If you can't tell, I've been crying while I was driving. Got some really shitty comments on YouTube and TikTok this morning, so I'm just taking it minute by minute. So I'm gonna go shower because that always makes me feel better. So we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I am done showering. I feel a lot better, even though the water was cold in the showers, but it always is at this spot and it sucks. And I've been taking cold showers here since May when I moved into my car. But that's all right. I've only complained about it once a month when they send me a survey. If you don't know, I use rose hip oil on my face, and I just ran some through my hair because it's dry here. And Pippa wants her TREATs because she was good. At least I think she was good while I was showering. I guess we'll never know. And now at like freaking 11:15, it is time for coffee finally. So let's do that. Yeah. That's it.
Oh, did you want that extra hot?
Can I do it hot, please?
Hot, and then last question, I'm so sorry, it is grande, right?
Yes, you're right.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you there for 6:28.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
The latte?
Yes.
All right, 6:28.
Okay. Not for you.
There you go.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You have a great day.
Yeah, you too. All right, coffee done. The sun is coming out. Thank goodness. All right. Let's go to our next spot. That's always a short one. It's in the same parking lot as Planet Fitness. Hey, where are we? Oh, she knows. I gotta roll up the window. window. Let me take a couple more sips of coffee before this. It's hot. Oh, I don't think it said it on there. I don't know if I caught it. You gotta go back over here. I gotta put your leash on. I did a vanilla oat milk latte. Pippa gets very excited to go to the pet store. All right, Pippa is leashed up. I'm not really ready to go into Petco yet this morning, but Pippa is. So here we go, where the pets go. Every time. Oh my god, it's embarrassing. This is the one that Pippa gets. Red meat, whole oats. It works really well for her. Do you like that one, Pip? You like them all. Did you poop inside of Petco again? Hmm? I love that. I love it so much. Oh well. Hey, we have bags with us this time at least. Alright, so I'm not gonna do it right this second, but I will insert the clip because now I know how to do that of when I do it. When I get Pippa's food, I do not keep it in the bag because I have trauma around mice from the RV getting into Pippa's food. So we put it into like containers and I throw the bag away so then it doesn't also smell like pet food in here. Laundry's put in. I'm gonna go get water really quick because there's a grocery store with like a water fill up outside, and then come back and just hang out now until my laundry's done, and then I'm gonna go get some lunch because I think that's all I have left to do. Ooh, I look windblown. Picked up my Chipotle. Now Pip and I are just gonna sit in the parking lot and eat it. I might go live. I haven't decided yet since I'm kind of in a crappy mood from this morning still, but I'm trying to get myself out of it. But this is the last thing that we're gonna do today, and then I'm probably just gonna go home and veg and be done with today. So this is a very realistic day. All right. Pip and I just got back to our camp spot for the night. We just went for a walk. I didn't film anything because it was cold and windy, but Pippa was cute. She was running around, and I think I'm so sad. This is my favorite campsite, even though I'm sitting in like the parking lot of the campsite just in case it does snow overnight. I don't want to get stuck here, but I'm a little sad because this probably is the final time for the season, because I think once it snows they close the gate here. So this is probably the last night we'll stay here until, I don't know, April maybe. If they open it back up then, maybe May. So I'm kind of sad, but it's okay. But we got everything done today, and no, even though I was in a little kind of crummy of a mood earlier, we turned it around and on to the next, you know, gotta keep on trucking, as they say. So I'm excited to show you guys the snow tomorrow. Let's cross our fingers that it actually does snow and I haven't just been hyping it up for forever, but I just really want to see some. There were some flurries today when I was running my errands, so I have a pretty good feeling it really will snow. So yeah, other than that, Pippa is fed, she's watered, she's walked, she's getting comfy, she's ready to settle in, and I am probably just gonna go live on Twitch and hang out for the next hour or so, and then veg for the night. I'm emotionally exhausted from today, from being in town and from some of the little emotional stuff that's been bothering me with being online. But I'm a real person. So the nice thing is tomorrow we get to see snow and we get to go to a new place. So that always helps me pull me out of my weird funk, like I said in my mental health video. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.